Ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba ng design build at design bid build? Hi, I'm Architect JM. Ang pinaka-traditional method of construction is design bid build. Ang ibig sabihin nito, i-design niyo muna siya. Kuha muna kayo ng architect, engineers. Pag tapos na po yung design, tsaka natin ipapabid, and then i-construct. Ang design build naman is a lot faster. Isa na lang yung kausap nyo, nandito na sa loob yung architects natin, engineer, at nandito na rin yung construction. Ano nga ba ang advantage at disadvantage ng bawat isa? Cost control is a lot easier when it comes to design build, mainly kasi yung contractor nyo is already aware of the materials na papasok sa budget na dinefine nyo. In terms of design control, wherein dinidictate nyo kung ano ba yung gusto nyong laman ng bahay, sa design build, medyo mas konti yung control dito. Mainly kasi kahit anong gawin natin, meron at merong inherent bias sa contractor kasi gusto niya may mga gamitin na siyang materials dun sa project mo. Whereas sa design bid build or traditional method, meron kang freedom kasi wala namang bias yung architect. As much as possible, gusto niyang ibigay sa iyo kung ano bang na-envision mong design. In terms of owner involvement naman, definitely mas konti ang design build. Mainly kasi, like I mentioned before, isa lang yung kausap niyo. Versus design bid build, kailangan nyo kausapin at i-hire bawat isa doon sa trade na pinag-usapan natin kanina. Ibig ba sabihin nito mas maganda yung isang method kaysa dun sa iba? Well, the right method depends on your goals. Kung gusto nyo mas mabilis at wala masyadong hassle, pwede kayong mag-design build. On the other hand, if you want more control na wala masyadong bias at freedom from design, pwede kayong mag-traditional method lalo na kung gusto nyong hands-on kayo. For more insights into architecture and construction, please follow our page, Architect JM Des.